Hey guys, it's your girl Shelby from Shelby Fun Cuisine. Today guys, we're going to make one of my favorite salmon salads with spinach, okay? Very quick and easy, okay? There's no time to it guys, okay? When you're short on time, you can just especially today, it's going to be my lunch, okay? So my diet lunch, okay? Let me show you guys what I have. This is what I eat guys, like when I don't want to eat heavy food, okay? I just go ahead and then fix that for my with my salad. Okay, as you can see, I have like 4 skinless salmon. Okay, and I have my tomatoes already cut. Okay, let me put that aside. And I have some salt for my salmons. Okay, and I have some roasted pumpkin seeds. Okay, and I have some dry sweet and dry and sweet cranberries. Okay, and I have my baby spinach. Okay, already washed. Okay, so I have my pot warming up, guys. Okay, and also I have my vinaigrette I'm going to use for my salad. Okay, it's very delicious, guys. Okay, now let's start. What I'm going to do now, guys, I'm going to show you guys how I prepare. Okay, as you can see, I already started. Now, on top of my salmons, I have dry rosemary, guys. Okay, and I mean basil, not rosemary, basil, sorry. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to finish it up with some dry rosemary. Okay, this is how I prepare my salmons, guys. Okay, they already washed. Okay, and my hands are clean. Okay, now I'm adding some dry parsley. Okay, turn them over. Okay, it's very good, guys, when you do it like that. And I have some olive oil in my pot, guys. Okay, now let me just put my hand. Adding some salt. I don't want to dirty too much stuff, guys. That's why I'm using that little tiny bowl. I don't want to have too much to clean, guys. Okay, now I'm adding some black pepper. Put that aside. Okay, move this one. Okay, that's just very easy. Okay, and this one I'm going to add some more. Okay, all right. See, there's nothing to it, guys. Fast, very fast. Okay. Okay, so now let me dry my hand. Okay, now I'm going to start adding them in the pot. I'm going to squeeze everybody in there, guys. Okay, everybody gonna go in. Okay, I'm going to do a little cleanup, guys, and then when we come back, we'll finish up. Okay, come back. Okay, guys, now it's time to get our salmons out. Okay, look at that, very nice. Okay, so I'm going to, after that, I'm going to get my plate and then mix up the spinach. Okay, you see that? Looks very nice and smells so delicious, guys. Okay, look at that, very nice. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you guys. Okay, I have this bowl, guys, I'm going to use with my spinach. Okay, so I'm going to add my tomatoes first. Oh guys, I forgot my avocado. I'm going to have some avocado also. And I'm adding my cranberry, cranberries guys. And then I'm saving some for later. And then I'm adding my pumpkin seeds. Okay. Alright, let me shake that real good because you don't want to just get the oil guys. You have to mix it up. Okay. Now I'm adding my vinaigrette. Okay, not too much. Okay, mix it up. Okay. Alright guys, I'm going to get my avocados and then when we come back, we finish up, okay? Come back. Okay guys, everything is ready. Let me show you guys my plate. Okay. There it is. Okay, so all I have to do now guys, I have to garnish it with the rest of my dry cranberries. Okay, like that. Okay, and my pumpkin seeds. Okay, so this is my plate also guys. Let me add some cranberry on mine. Okay, and now it's time for my avocados. Up. There we go guys. Okay. Guys, this is a healthy salad guys, especially when you're on diet. This is perfect for your diet guys. Okay, so that's why I start on my vegetable now guys, because I'm doing my diet now. Okay, so yep. Yep. Alright guys, let me just clean up my hands. Oh, I forgot some on my plate guys. What I'm doing? What am I doing guys? Okay, there it is. You see that? Very beautiful guys and healthy, okay? And this is my plate. Okay? Very nice guys. Alright? Very quick. I told you guys it was gonna be quick. Okay, if you guys like this recipe, don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up guys, and remember to leave a comment down below, okay, and share with your family and friends, okay. And guys, this is very good guys, okay. And also guys, don't forget to turn on your notification bell whenever I'm posting a new video guys. You guys can get the notification, okay. Alright guys, now it's time for me to taste my delicious salad guys. Okay, the first bite is for you guys, okay? So good. Nice salmon. This is so good guys. If you guys like the video, don't forget to subscribe and give it a oh, I said that already guys. My bad. Have a wonderful day. Bye.